around with my neuroscope of reality. I can feel it all start slipping. I think I'm breaking down. Why do you like playing around with my neuroscope of reality? I can feel it all start slipping away.